Okay, we will solve this one. Simplify the square root of 3x over 8y cubed. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to multiply the radicand by 2y over 2y to make the denominator a perfect square. Okay? So, this is equal to the square root of 3x over 8y cubed. Multiply natin sa 2y or by 2y over 2y para magiging perfect square ang denominator. Okay, then tuloy natin 3x times 2y, that is 6xy over 8 times 2, that is 16, tapos y to the 4th power. Okay, so perfect square na yung denominator. And then separate natin yan, the square root of 6xy over the square root of 16y to the 4th power. Okay, dito tayo sa baba. Equals square root ng 6xy. So wala tayong square root ng 6xy, therefore kopyahin natin yan. 6xy over square root ng 16y to the 4th power. Okay, square root ng 16 is 4. Tapos y to the 4th power is y squared. So therefore, sa choices natin, letter C is the correct answer.